you guys? It's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. The lighting's awful and I'm so sorry. Today at about 9 o'clock on a Sunday night, I'm going to be decluttering. Like, I don't know, decluttering is a good word. I also have a new, I'll show you my setup right now. Anyway, so like, all that has makeup, obviously all this. I have a new organizer to go here, so I'm also going to be setting that up. I have a bucket that I'm going to fill with the makeup that's still good, that I just don't use. And then I have a trash can for the stuff that's been in there for too many years. Because I did this fun thing when I was first starting out YouTube, that I was like, oh, to be a beauty guru, I just need to collect as much makeup as possible, whether it sucks or not, which is not the truth, kids. So I basically don't use hardly any of that makeup, except that's where I store my effects makeup, and obviously I use that. So we're gonna start decluttering. The lighting's gonna start getting better. These are like my secondary use palettes, I guess you'd say. Yes, as you can tell by the dust, I use this a lot. I'm gonna keep this. This is my NYX Vault. I probably should get rid of this, but I do use a lot of the colors you see. It's just like these colors I don't use. But a lot of these I use in effect stuff. So I'm definitely going to keep. I just maybe not keep it in this. I don't use this. I have other. Definitely keeping this. Look at this limited edition. Don't mind me. Here's my prized possession. Look at. Oh, I love it so much. Sorry, it has a mirror. Look, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. It is the Urban Decay Alice with Looking Glass palette. I honestly don't use it a whole lot, but like, it's not that I don't like the colors. I honestly love this. It's this itself that I'm like, yes, ma'am. This back here is just my effects brushes. They're so disgusting, I need to clean them. Fun fact, they're actually in little, like, little jars with sand. So they look really, oh my god. RIP. Okay, so this is what my desk area looks like now. It doesn't look really any different, except this thing's changed. I really like this new organizer. So yeah, this is how much is being given away. Like, literally, this is like stuffed full with makeup. And I went through a full trash bag of stuff that I trashed too. Here's hair stuff. There's makeup bags. And here's my duster thing that I didn't pick up. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me next. Don't forget to subscribe. And my next video will be my makeup collection. So if you want to see more in depth how everything completely turned out looking, then go watch that. Anyways, I love you guys and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below. And the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though